Aside from the index case, there were 2 cases identified. And then last night, they identified another 2 positive cases in Iloilo. So we now have 5 positive cases. Pero yung lahat ng 5 yon are now well up and about and they don't need hospitalization. They had mild infection. So, yung index case lang natin ang medyo malala, but she didn't have fever. Walang fever. Skin rash, joint pains, and red eyes. Yung 4 pong others, skin rash lang. And they were positive. And they are, 3 are household companions of the index case and 1 is a neighbor. So, in that scenario, we're actually concluding that there is limited local transmission. It's not widespread. Kasi marami po tayong tinesting, about 22 nung mga nakapaligid dun sa index case and only 4 were positive. Kung widespread na po yan, edi sana lahat nung katabi nung index case nag-positive, no? But what we're really focusing on is mosquito and vector control.